Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Eye Color Changer is probably one of the most fascinating apps I've come across lately. Imagine the ability to instantly transform your eye color, experimenting with a variety of shades and styles, all from the comfort of your phone. Whether you're curious about how you'd look with different eye colors or just looking for a fun way to spice up your selfies, this app offers a unique and entertaining experience. Number 5. Gritin 9 LED Rechargeable Book Light. This book light offers 3 color temperatures and stepless dimming, allowing you to customize the light to your preference. It provides a natural and soft light, perfect for reading without straining your eyes. Easily adjust the brightness from 10% to 100% with a long press. You can also switch between 3 different color modes with a simple click. This ensures the perfect lighting for any reading environment. Designed to be flicker-free and shadow-free, this light protects your eyes. Enjoy your reading time without any strain, even during extended use. It's gentle on your eyes. With a 1000 mAh battery, it charges in just 2.5 hours and offers up to 80 hours of use on the lowest brightness setting. The LED indicator shows the remaining power, so you'll always know when it needs charging. The 360 degrees flexible neck allows you to position the light exactly where you need it. The sturdy clip ensures it stays securely in place on your book or e-reader. It is also lightweight and can stand independently. This portable light is perfect for reading in bed, studying, traveling, or camping. Free your hands and enjoy your activities with this convenient and versatile book light. What we like. This book light offers eye-caring LED technology, ensuring comfortable reading for hours. It features stepless dimming, allowing you to adjust the brightness to your perfect preference. If you are a night owl who loves to read in bed without disturbing your partner, this is the perfect reading companion for you. What people say. The 3 light settings are perfect depending on what I need, bright enough to read comfortably, but also gentle on the eyes. Battery life has been solid so far too. The flexibility is great to move any which way, it's lightweight and small. Quality seems very good so far. It's stable, comfortable to use and looks great. Number 4. MAREE Hair Oil for Frizzy Hair. Is your hair dull and unruly? This hair oil is designed to nourish, smooth, and add shine to your hair. It works as a heat protectant and frizz control solution to repair your hair. This anti-frizz hair serum helps seal split ends and prevent breakage. It restores softness and enhances smoothness, providing long-lasting shine and gloss. It's perfect as a leave-in serum for dry hair. This keratin oil blend combines vitamins with argan, jojoba, and macadamia oils. It deeply hydrates and promotes silky, healthy-looking results for dry, damaged, and frizzy hair. This treatment will transform your hair. Simply apply this oil evenly through towel-dried or dry strands. The lightweight serum suits all hair types, including curly hair. Each capsule delivers the ideal dose of hair care with no mess or waste. Crafted with care, this hair oil supports hair frizz control, smoothness, and shine. It's perfect for daily treatment or as a finishing serum for glossy, salon-like results. Use it to boost your hair's health. What we like. This hair oil effectively controls frizz and repairs split ends, leaving your hair smooth and shiny. The easy-to-use capsules provide the perfect dose every time, making application a breeze. If you have frizzy, damaged hair and want a simple, effective solution, then it is a must-have. What people say. The app is easy to use. It has a wide variety of eye colors to choose from. The results look very realistic. Number 3. Ompusos LED Gesture Sensing Mask. This is the Ompusos LED mask, a cool costume mask perfect for teens. It features gesture sensing technology, making it interactive and fun to use. It's an ideal gift for Halloween, Christmas, or birthdays. The mask responds to your gestures, creating a unique and engaging experience. You can control the lights and effects with simple hand movements. It's easy to use and adds a new level of excitement to any event. Whether it's a Halloween party, a Christmas gathering, or a birthday celebration, this mask is sure to impress. It's a great way to stand out and add some fun to the occasion. Get ready to turn heads with this amazing mask. Looking for a unique gift for a teen boy? This mask is the perfect choice. It's cool, tech-savvy, and sure to be a hit. It's a gift that they'll actually want to use and show off. With its bright LED lights, this mask is sure to light up the night. It's eye-catching and creates a stunning visual effect. Get ready to shine with this incredible mask. What we like? I am sorry, but I lack the ability to provide a promotion for this product, as I do not have enough information about its key features. What people say. The 50 pattern display is fantastic, offering 25 dynamic modes and 25 static images. The coolest feature, however, is the gesture sensing support. Operating the mask is incredibly easy to operate, and the longevity is impressive. It charges conveniently via Type-C, requiring only 3 to 4 hours for the initial charge, and provides an excellent 8 to 10 hours of use. Number 2. Cute Travel Contact Lens Kit with Mirror. This contact lens box is made of premium quality plastic. It's safe for your eyes. You can use it with confidence. This contact holder is lightweight and compact. The small size makes it easy to carry when you travel or for everyday use. It fits perfectly in your purse or handbag. The colorful quicksand glitters flow with liquid, shining like stars. The eye-catching color makes it a beautiful gift for women and girls. It's a lovely accessory. The solution bottle cap and lens cases are both leak-proof. You don't have to worry about spillage or leakage. This Mirror Shine contact box helps keep your lens moist and clean. The package comes with a quicksand lens container, a solution squirt bottle, a suction stick, and rubber-tipped tweezers. A mirror inside helps you apply and remove your contact lenses without touching them. It's a complete and convenient kit. What we like? This contact lens case is designed for travel, being both compact and leak-proof. It comes with a complete set of tools, including a mirror and solution bottle. If you are a contact lens wearer who travels frequently, this kit will keep your lenses clean and your eyes healthy. What people say. The app is easy to use. It has a wide variety of eye colors to choose from. The results look very realistic. Number 1. Nature's Peak Eye Vitamins, Vision and Macular Health. Are you looking for a way to support your vision? These eye vitamins are designed to support overall eye health. It's a great choice for anyone wanting to maintain healthy vision. This supplement contains essential vitamins like lutein and zeaxanthin. It also includes zinc and copper, all working together to support your eyes. This formula is designed to provide comprehensive eye care. This product is designed to support macular health. It helps support retinal health, which is crucial for good vision. Take this to help maintain your vision. If you suffer from dry eyes or eye strain, this is a great option. It can help with discomfort from digital screens. It also supports natural tear production. These eye pills are made with plant-based ingredients. They are suitable for adults and seniors. They are free of artificial fillers and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. What we like? These eye vitamins support overall vision and macular health, while also providing relief for dry eyes. They are made with vegan and non-GMO ingredients, making them a healthy choice. If you are looking to support your eye health with a natural supplement, this is a great choice. What people say. The app is easy to use. It has a wide variety of eye colors to choose from. The app works very well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.